To enable and use floating keyboard while in landscape view on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Under style and layout section, tap mode. Under landscape view section, select floating keyboard. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can type with your keyboard, like when you are texting someone on WhatsApp. You can see that when you hold your phone in landscape view like this, your phone will automatically use floating keyboard. If needed, you can change the keyboard position by dragging the bottom of the keyboard and then move it to the required position. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.